guys, it's Susie at the 412 Homestead. I'm glad you're here tonight. We're going to make two simple pies. We're going to make some Kool-Aid pies. So let's get started. Now for these simple pies, what you're going to need a graham cracker crust. You're going to need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip, and then your choice of whatever kind of Kool-Aid that you want to use. Eric, he's a big tropical punch, so we're going to make a tropical punch pie. The other one that I'm going to do, same ingredients, I'm doing orange like the push-ups. You guys remember those. Those were such a favorite when we were kids, so we're going to try to make an orange push-up pie. So let's get started. The first pie we're going to make that orange pie. So we're going to just dump our sweetened condensed milk right in our bowl. Now you only want to use sweetened condensed milk. You don't want to use evaporated milk or regular milk or anything. You want sweetened condensed milk. And gosh, guys, I don't have my glasses on. 14-ounce can. So we're going to dump that in our bowl, and then I'm going to pour in, I'm going to do that orange push-up pie. I'm going to use just 1 packet of it. Now, some they say use 2 packets, but we're going to just use 1. So I'm just going to sprinkle that right in the top there, and you're going to want to mix this up really good, so it gets good and incorporated. The longest that's going to take for this pie is just once you get it in your pre-made graham cracker crust, is letting it chill in your refrigerator. But we're just going to mix that up. I think I've got it pretty good. And then we're going to fold in our carton of Cool Whip. And like I said, this is an 8-ounce carton of Cool Whip. So we're just going to dump that right in there. And we're just going to fold that in to our mixture. Don't beat it, and don't use a mixer and all that. We're just going to lightly just fold it in there so it stays good and airy. And then, like I said, we're just going to use our pre-made graham cracker crust, and then we're going to put that in the refrigerator and let that chill. Ooh, it smells really good. This orange, it's going to be a light, kind of a tropical, I bet, or like push-ups. You remember when the ice cream truck would go through your neighborhood, and we always would try to gather up some change really quick? Well, orange push-up was always my favorite. And I think this is why this is going to be so good, because it's going to remind me of when I was a kid. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe. I think that we have got that just pretty well mixed up. So I'm going to set this aside, and we've got this graham cracker crust. And you guys, the lid, the covering to this, will turn over and use as a lid when you're done, so that you can keep it covered when you put it in the ice box. So we're just going to lift that cover out, and this thing is already done. You don't have to do anything to it. You can just pour it right into that pie crust because it's ready to go. Simple as that, you guys. This is not probably, we've not been 2 or 3 minutes and we've already got 1 pie made. So we want to get that all out of our bowl. We don't want to waste it. We're going to just smooth that out. Now I could have kept a little bit of that Cool Whip and used that as a decoration for the top of my pie, but you know, I think this is going to be good just like it is. So I'm just going to peel the sticker off here. Get that little rubber thing off that holds your sticker on. Well, it's on there. All right, and just turn that right over and put that in the ice box and let that get chilled, and we're going to make that other pie. We've got that orange pie in the refrigerator getting cold, so we're going to make this tropical punch pie. And just as a reminder, you guys, Christmas coming up, Christmas Eve, you need something to take to a party that's quick and easy to make. This is an idea for you. We're going to mix it up just like we did the other pie, except this one we're using 2 packages of the tropical fruit, or tropical punch, I should say, tropical punch Kool-Aid. That's going to make a pretty pie, and I'm sure it's going to be pretty good tasting too. Oh, you guys, look how pretty those turned out. So we're going to cut them and we're going to try them out. We're going to see how easy it cuts. They've been in the, actually I put them in the freezer for about, 20 minutes. I don't know if that's long enough or not, but that's what we did. So we're going to cut it and give it a try. Let's see if I can get this out of here without messing it all up. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's cut this other pie. Let's try it out. This is our tropical punch pie. And it turned a pretty little shade of pink. And from what I tasted off of the spatula, I think this is going to be good. You guys could garnish this up and make it look real pretty, but you know, we're not too worried about garnishing it up here. We're just going to eat it. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? All right, you guys, I'm going to taste test this fruit punch pie. We're going to try it and see what it tastes like. That's pretty darn good. Now we got to do the orange push-up pie. I don't know which one I like better because I like them both. Easy, easy, you guys. We figured out about maybe $6 a pie is what it cost us. So this is just some ideas for you guys in case you want to take something to a party and you don't have much time. Give these a try. Kool-Aid pies. Guys, thanks for stopping by the 412 Homestead. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Until we see you again, God bless.